Hey, so your images aren't loading on your card website. That can make your site look broken, but don't worry. This is usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you the most common causes and how to fix them step by step. First, make sure your images are properly uploaded. Go into the editor, click the image, and confirm the file is still there. Card supports formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. If you're using unsupported formats like TIFF or BMP, convert them before uploading. If you're using external image links, make sure the URL is correct and publicly accessible. Broken or private links won't load on your site. Large images can slow down or fail to load. Compress your images and keep file sizes small for faster loading. Sometimes your browser is showing an old version of your site. Clear your cache and refresh to see updated images. A slow or unstable connection can prevent images from loading properly. Make sure your internet is stable and try again. If images still don't appear, click Publish again. Sometimes changes don't fully update until you republish the site. Preview your site on both desktop and mobile. Some images might be hidden or not optimized for certain screen sizes. Browser extensions like ad blockers can sometimes block images. Try disabling them or open your site in incognito mode. If nothing works, contact card support. Share your site link and details. They can help identify the issue quickly. So yeah, that's how to fix images not loading on card. Check uploads, file formats, URLs, and optimize your images. Clear cache, republish, and test across devices. Your site should look perfect again.